Hello everybody, so today I will introduce about Wolfram Alpha. I will show you the technique how to use this website to calculate everything for you. So let's begin. So if you want to find the solution of about equation, for example 3x plus 4 equal to 2, you just put the equation and they will answer for you and the graph in here. If you want to find the solution of two graph, for example 2x plus y equal to 4 and 4x minus 3y plus equal to 1, for example like this, you should put about and between two equations, and here is about the answer. If you want to find the solution of about the quadratic equation, for example you put like this, and you will get the answer in here. See about the complex solutions. Here is about the real solutions in here. Now if you want to find about the critical point in here, you put the critical point and they will find for you like this. Inflection point. If you want to find the derivative, for example first the derivative, they will show the answer in here. Second, they will show like this. Limit. You put the bracket in here, so they will show the answer. Integral forms from one number to something number like this. Sorry. That's why we need to use this one. This website will help you to study and check the answer. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching.